Alright, so we're in this trade. Why'd I get in this trade? Well, we have, let's go to the 1 hour. You can see this better. Yeah, so indication, correction, continuation, didn't continue here. Didn't continue. Came down, didn't, continue here. I thought I was gonna sweep these highs right here. These are 5 a.m. 4-hour candles, by the way. That's what I do. 5 a.m. 4-hour candles marked out. Top and bottom. It looks a little messy right now, but you don't need to know all that. Anyways, 5 a.m. candles marked out. Shot up, then, wow, we even have a 1-hour bearish close right here. So yeah, so look at all this rejection on this 15-minute. I initially got in on this one right here. I marked out this blue line because this is not an actual account. This is not an actual account. This is like a, like Top Step lets you trade even when you blow an account. They still let you place trades and stuff. So that's cool. So I marked out this blue line here because that would be the 1500 that I would need to make in order to pass the eval and whatever. So anyways, multiple 15-minute rejections. Why do I feel like it's rejecting? Because I feel like it wants to fill in this fair value gap right here. This fair value gap right here. And even if we do, because I looked at the 1 hour right here, and look at what we're doing. We're creating lower highs and lower lows. So this could be the lower high in order for it to go even lower to fill this 4 hour or 1 hour, no, yeah, 4 hour fair value gaps, We are on an uptrend in a way, right? But we're low-key on a downtrend too. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Still, I lost a lot already in this consolidations. I've gotten in and out of this right here. Because I thought it was gonna go in when it broke this 5-minute right here, but on the 15-minute, there is no break yet. So we're still probably going down. So yeah, that's right now. Let's see what happens. This trade would be over if it breaks structure here. Like if it closes on top of this green candle, or even like up here, if it closes on top of this, it's over. That would be probably okay. Get off the trend, because it probably does want to take out these highs. But overall, on the higher time frame, on the higher time frames, we are bearish. Like, we look bullish, but we're actually bearish. Look at that. Like, lower highs and lower lows. We're pretty bearish. So hopefully this goes down. Even if it wants to come up, it's struggling here because I feel like it wants to fill in. It supposedly already filled it. It supposedly already filled it here. But when price is rejecting like this, it usually means like it wants to fill the whole thing, Or it could mean that it really just wants to sell off. See, I have it like down here, 15K, because this is another fair value gap down here, which it could fill. Which it already did supposedly, but again, I just feel like I'm betting that it's gonna go down. That's where I'm at. So let's see how it actually goes. Alright, so as we can see, it's actually going in our direction. It's filling in that gap. And I believe that we're going to come down and fill this gap too. And I actually believe that we're just going to sell off crazy. I feel like we're just going to sell off here. Like we created this high, lower high, lower high, and then, you know, this low, lower low, and then a lower low, a new lower low. Back down to this 1 hour, no, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour fair value gaps and fill those. Let's see, because it could do that, but then it doesn't have to, because we don't tell price what to do. You know, we just go with what's happening, like what price is doing. It is kind of weird to me that we didn't just take out these highs yet, because even when it wicked here, it didn't take out the high. So it is kind of weird to me. The icebreaker to me would be there's this 5-minute fair value gap here that you guys can't see. Let me just so I would probably need to see a close above this 5-minute fair value gap. And if we actually going up, if we're actually, let me see the 15-minute. Yeah, there's no need for us to come. I mean, there's this 15-minute fair value gap here, but I doubt that it's gonna come all the way up here, fill this, and then go down. I don't think that's gonna happen. So if we do close above that, that will be the time to end this trade. We can make this a risk-free trade for now, or even just up here just in case. No, risk-free trade. I don't think that this is it. I think that it's gonna continue going down. That's just my opinion. Let's see what's up. Let's see what happens. Yeah, let's see what happens. Alright, so this is where we're at. It came all the way down, but shot back up again. So it came all the way down, shot back up, filled a bunch of fair value gaps here, and yeah, this is where we at. I feel like if we don't close right now, we're gonna walk away with nothing. I have this line right here because at 305, because at 310, top step blocks every trade. So depending on where we are by 305, we're gonna see what's up. But it looks like this is about to just take us out. So that could be the situation. Or we can close right now at 1K. So let's see. Yeah, like I said, so we got that. I think it was like at $30 or something like that. So that's what we got. That was that trade. We should have closed down here, but it is what it is. That's a very valuable lesson. Like, I think we should all have like a goal, like a daily goal. My bad. The colors of this is okay. There we go. We should all have like a daily goal, like 2 to 5K a day, you know, so that at least you make 2K or 5K on the day, you know, and that's it. And you can, you know, move forward. Otherwise, you just end up with nothing on the day, and that sucks. But yeah, that was today.